What's the best number of birds that I can start with in my poultry farming journey? This is a common question that most prospective poultry farmers ask. Problem that these prospective farmers make is they base the number of starting birds with the estimated profit that they would need. This is a common mistake. The first batch of birds should enable you to learn how to manage a poultry farm, not necessarily calculating the profit margins that you'll be left with. You should pick the number of birds that you can comfortably manage and the number of birds that can make you learn poultry management comfortably. And this is in the exception to farmers who have hired professionals to manage their farms.